Feast your eyes on this. 49.9 miles per gallon, 46 mile per hour average, 8.3 miles. The Nissan Altima is the ultimate video game collecting car. No non-hybrid car can ever reach the feats that this car reaches on miles per gallon. So take that, Chevron. Take that, ExxonMobil. Take that, oil tycoon. Take that, $3.50 gallons. And take that, Iraq. Jeff Mack's back, and it's like that. And that's the way it is. Huh!
Did anybody move a shopping cart or take a belt out of the shopping cart?
All right, so I did find something in there. The only other thing in there that I almost was thinking about buying, but to be honest with you, I don't collect for the DS anymore unless it's something special, was Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney. That was, I think it's valued at about $14 to $15, and they're selling it for $6. I went ahead and passed up on it. Like I said, I'm not collecting for DS anymore unless it's something that's kind of special. Now, I like to follow a rule of thumb, and I've been doing it for quite some time now, although I don't always hold true to it, and I especially don't hold true when it comes to retro video game cartridges like SNES and NES, stuff that I don't see a lot of the time out there in the wild, but I usually do hold true to it as much as I can when it comes to PlayStation 2, Xbox Original, Nintendo DS, for example, GameCube, and that is to, if you're going to buy a game, make sure it's worth 3 times or more than what you're paying for it. So I definitely followed true with that on this one. Anything with Mario on it is golden and will probably shoot up in value at some point. Nintendo DS complete Super Princess Peach, and it is complete, and it's rather minty. So I did pick that up. It's worth about 21, 22 bucks. Unfortunately, I did have to pay $6 for it, but that's all right. That is a good pickup, actually. All right, now let's go into half-price books and see if we can catch them slipping. All right, so yeah, I was lucky enough to stumble into some NES games in there, and good prices too. So for 3 games, I paid $11.88, which I'll take that all day, any day. Nothing spectacular in here, but just good bargains. Now, just to give you an idea of what some of the games that you saw on video were priced at, Legend of Zelda was like $21.99. Paperboy was $9.99. Super Mario Brothers was $19.99. So yeah, so they overpriced a lot of their games, and I just took the ones that were priced cheap. So the first game I picked up, and all these games are in good condition. The labels look nice. They are very dusty. There's actually dust Like in all, you'd think they would clean these up at Half Price Books, or at least, you know, half attempt to clean them up. But it's hard to see in the video, or in the car here, but there's a lot of dust on the games. But anyway, the first game was Spy Hunter. Picked that up for $4.99, and that'll clean up real nice. The next game is Gotcha, and I picked that up for $2.99. That also will clean up real nice. It's in very good condition, besides a little label damage at the bottom of the back information part of it. You can see the dust buildup. Look at the dust buildup. You think they would have cleaned that a little bit. But the label's in fine condition. And the last pickup is, let me get real nostalgic on you guys. This is one of my favorite games growing up. Rygar for $2.99. Again, dusty, but the label is in excellent shape. It'll clean up nice. The back's in excellent shape. Wow. I used to freaking love this game. When everybody else was playing Super Mario Brothers, I was playing Rygar. And I had Super Mario Brothers. I actually preferred this game. All right, guys, so a little NES pickup there, and on to the next one. Oh, yeah. It's going down this week. It's going down. All right, I'm calling on YouTube Nation to help me stop a trend today. A trend that's been going on for the better part of 20 years. A trend that has gone on way too long. This trend is letting your pants sag. This trend started back in the 90s when I went to school. My generation. We'd let our pants sag and we'd wear extra large shirts to cover up everything back there. So someone in the next generation decided to be even more unimaginative and just said, oh, let us have our pants sag a little bit more. We'll have our pants sag down to our kneecaps so we can display our underwear from top to bottom for everyone to see. That's called public indecency. That's called you look like an effing clown. Okay, knucklehead? So pull your freaking pants up. All things must end. You look like an idiot. All right, so do me a favor. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, I want you to put your pants on, pull them all the way up, grab your belt out the closet and dust it off, and buckle up. Thank you.
So you go by this. What is that? Okay. So that you go by the phone number.
How would they pull it up? Monday. One more? Will they pull somebody's price?
All right, so let me show you what I got in that thrift store. All of these, mind you, follow the 3 for $9 rule, or the 3 times rule, meaning they're all worth more than 3 times, or at least 3 times what I paid for them. So, pretty interesting in there. They had a lot of PlayStation 1 games in there, but I passed on them. I'm really trying to hold true to that 3 for $9 rule. Thrasher presents Skate and Destroy. It's kind of interesting. This is actually like a real photograph right there, it looks like. This is a Rockstar game. It's worth in between $16 and $17, and I paid $5.45. That was another reason why I passed up on a lot of PS1 games. Every one of them were selling for $5.45. So that was good. CD is scratched up on that one though, so hopefully it plays. The next thing I picked up, this is not an easy game to find on the PC. And this is, believe it or not, this is the second time I've ran into this. I purchased this at a Goodwill also for $3. I think it's on one of my hunting videos, if I remember correctly. So I got this for $2.92. This game, Loose, is worth $50. Yes. So this reminded me that I do have another copy of this, because I actually forgot about that. So when I get home, I'm going to check, and both of these will be going up on eBay for sale without a doubt, because I don't collect PC anymore. All right, and the last thing that I found in there was, none of this stuff is in epic condition. Mario Party 7 on the GameCube, Black Label. I do have this game, but I'm not leaving Mario Party behind for $5.45. I gotta pick it up every time. It is missing the directions, and the disc does have a lot of scratches on it, but for that price point, I'm in. All right, so let's go see what's inside of this Goodwill. Yes, sir. It's nice to catch a little fire after my slow week last week. I'm hotter than O.J. Simpson in the Bronco with no AC. I felt like deja vu in there for a second with the games that I was finding. Let's go through them real quick. So the first game that I picked up, all the games were $6 a piece. 3 times rule applies big time to all these games. So I picked up Black Label, Paper Mario, The 1000th Year Door. Bam. Next pickup, Beyond Good and Evil, Black Label. Complete. All games complete. Then we have Eternal Darkness, Sanity's Requiem. Complete. Let me check the condition. That's the one thing I didn't check in there, is the condition of these discs. Oh, it's minty. Minty. Perfect. Let's check one more of these to see. They're probably donated by the same person. Oh, they are friggin' like new. And then the last pickup here is, if I can get it out of the bag here, Super Smash Brothers Melee. Oh yeah.
They're usually roadkill. And Texas giving up 45 points to them? No,
Alrighty then, so in there, picked up a game that I want to say I might have loose, but I can't remember, to be honest with you. Resident Evil Director's Cut. Picked that up for $4.99, and it is complete. It is the greatest hits version, but that's okay. The game's worth straight money, and it is an excellent game. So there it is, and now as I look at the disc, I might have this loose. So it's complete, and it is in very good condition, just needs to be dusted off. So that was real nice getting that. And the last thing I got from that store is a game that I do not have in my PS1 collection. Armored Core Master of Arena. So this game is, this one I looked at in the store, it might have been resurfaced. So it comes with 2 discs. Let me show you guys real quick. It's going to be hard to see in the car. So there it is. That's what it looks like, the disc. And it's got like this, well, maybe not. It's hard to tell. But anyway, not in terrible condition, and I was very happy picking that up for my collection. I do have some Armored Core games on different platforms, but this is a PlayStation 1, and that's it for the pickup. Well, this Goodwill has been very good to me this week. Let's try it again. Holy shit. So let me tell you something. The GameCube, my GameCube collection, it's probably one of the collections that I'm the most proudest of because of Goodwill pickups. And the games that I have in that collection are probably surpass any of my other collections, even though it might not have as much games in my GameCube collection, but it's quality over quantity. And I've been searching for this freaking game, hoping that I could find it out in the wild at some point. And I finally found it, Ikaruga. This is a shooter in a beautiful freaking game. God, I'm excited about this. This is even though I picked up Melee and Eternal Darkness, is probably the highlight of my week grabbing this game. This Goodwill has been way too good to me this week. So $5.99 as usual at this Goodwill. Yeah, and it is complete. It is minty. I guarantee you this is from the collector that donated the games that I picked up yesterday, because everything is just the same. Everything is absolutely in wonderful condition. The disc is flawless, just like the other 4 games I picked up yesterday. And it's all there. All right, so now, so I finally broke the 3-time or the 3 for 9 rule. I had to. There was no way I was passing up on Dreamcast games. So picked up Toy Commander on the Dreamcast. Hated paying $6, but whatever. You're not going to find this game out in the wild too often, so it is complete. And again, guys, the disc condition, I've been so lucky on this. This has never been played. It is absolutely flawless. All right, so Toy Commander, and then we have, and I have none of these games for my Dreamcast collection, by the way. Then we have Soul Calibur, which I believe is worth, I think that's worth like $13. And again, complete, in excellent shape. That disc is flawless. And then last pickup here is Virtua Fighter 3TB. Don't ask me. I don't know what the heck that is. So that game is also, if I can open it, complete, and it looks like it's never been played also. It's almost like someone was given these Dreamcast games as a present and never played them. All right, guys, it is Thursday, and it can only go downhill from here. So I'm thinking about just ending it here. So we're probably going to hit the game room after this and go over the picks one more time from this week. Total 360 over last week. That's how it is, man. The ups and downs of video game hunting. All right, guys, I guess I'll see you in the game room. Peace out. Hey, I'm LeBron James. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Jeff McKenzie's channel. Now let's go to the game room. All right, welcome to the game room. I'm going to try to get this video uploaded tonight, which is early. It's Thursday, but I am done for the week. So let's get started real quick here. Did really good on GameCube games, as you guys can see. Have doubles of this, and this. So I will be flipping all 4 games. These are all easy games to flip online. Definitely going to make me some money this week, and it'll pay for all of this and more. It'll actually put some money in my pocket. So Eternal Darkness, Sanity's Requiem, complete. Paper Mario, The Thousandth Year Door, Super Smash Bros. Melee, Beyond Good and Evil, the best pickup of the week for me. I've been looking for this for so long. I am really pumped up about picking this game up. Ikaruga, an Atari game. Fantastic friggin' title. Then we have Mario Party 7. And then we move into the Dreamcast games that I picked up. Toy Commander, complete, epic shape. Soul Calibur, complete, epic shape. Virtua Fighter 3TB. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. I have no clue. Those are all Epic complete. Now, the Nintendo pickup Spy Hunter. Picked that up for, I think that was, I don't know why the label's not on there. I must have took it off. I think that was $4.99. Rygar, one of my favorite games as a kid. $2.99 on that. And then Gotcha. I don't even think I've ever played Gotcha, to be honest with you. And I grew up on the Nintendo. I'm assuming you use the zapper with this game. Yeah, you do. You use the zapper. Thrasher, Skate and Destroy, Rockstar game. That's complete, although scratched up. If you guys know about this, let me know. I still have not looked at in the house. I think I do have another copy of this, and it's minty, the other copy. This one's scratched up, but supposedly this is going $50 loose online. So let me know what you guys think about that, because I will definitely be flipping that if that's the case. Nintendo DS, Super Princess Peach, and then and that was complete. And then Armored Core Master of Arena, and then Resident Evil Director's Cut complete, and that's in good condition. All right, guys, so that is the end of the video, and I would love to talk more with you guys, but I really got a game that I need to play, so I'm going to do that. Hey, LeBron James, why'd you leave my team? We could have won so many more championships, you freaking coward. Let me ask you a question. Do you know how to read? No, I'm asking you if you know how to read. Oh, you do? Good. Now read these Nikes.